Hello, friends. Today I found an old computer motherboard. It is attractive with one PCSiC chip, gold-plated pins, and inside has many gold wire bonding die chip lots of. Keep in mind that outdated electronics are likelier to produce parts with a high enough level of gold to make the procedure worthwhile for recycled gold from computer PC scrap and electronics equipment. You may find mined gold from old electronics in your home. You will see that the inside of the electronic device has gold that is hidden inside. This fly will steal my gold. Hope you like our compilation. Please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Then meet again in the next clip. Thank you very much.